Bonjour. Aujourd'hui, on va pratiquer le temps convenable. I hope that you are revising this topic because this needs the maximum of practice. I've already made so many videos on convenient tense. Go back and watch those videos. If you have any doubt, put it down in the comment section. So let's begin. First part. Si tu manges de la salade, tu dash tomber malade. Just understand the structure. First thing first, you need to understand in convenient tense question what is given. Directly do not keep writing your answer. Just see what is given first. So C plus, which tense is this? Just see, underline it. C plus imparfait. Imparfait plus, what is the equation? C plus imparfait plus conditionnel. So how are you going to make conditionnel of tomber? You write complete ER verb and then imparfait ending. Tomberer. Tu tomberais malade. Next part. Lorsque nous aurons fait. Again, see what is given. Lorsque is the word that is given. You remember those four words of plus que parfait and futur antérieur. Along with lorsque, what is given? See this. So just keep marking them in a box and see what is given first. Lorsque plus, which tense is this? Futur antérieur. So whenever it's lorsque plus futur antérieur, the next blank has to be futur simple. Nous reposerons. Nous reposerons. How are you going to conjugate futur simple? How will you conjugate futur simple? Just write the complete verb plus avoir ending. Third part, si je suis libre demain. Si je suis libre demain. Si, again C question. Si plus, put this in a box. Si plus présent plus, again we have a subject pronoun. So si plus présent plus futur simple. Ale futur simple is ir. Avoir ending irai. So si je suis libre demain, j'irai avec toi au cinéma. Next one. Dash si tu te sens fatigué. So here we have a subject pronoun. Here conjugation is given. But in the starting there is no subject pronoun. That means you're going to conjugate with imperative. Très bien, imperative. And with which subject pronoun you'll do it? Tu is given. So you're going to do it with tu. Se reposer. How will you make imperative of pronominal verbs? Repose toi. Repose toi. Next one. Quand nous dash finir nos devoirs, nous promènerons. So now just see again what is given. Nous promènerons. See this tense. This is futur simple. Futur simple is given. So what are you going to write here? It will be futur antérieur. So quand nous aurons fini. Quand nous aurons fini nos devoirs, nous promènerons. The first step is to understand what is given. Next one, je dash rentrer chez moi bientôt. So the word that we have is bientôt. Can you see in all the parts I have highlighted what is given first? Si plus imparfait. Second sentence, lorsque plus futur antérieur was given. Third sentence, si plus présent was given. Fourth sentence, no subject pronoun, so imperative. Fifth sentence, futur simple was given. So I have underlined that. Last sentence, which is the word that we need to see, bientôt. Bientôt is always futur proche. Je vais, how do you conjugate aller plus infinitive? Je vais rentrer chez moi bientôt. Tous les jours, nous dash boire du café. That's our next sentence. So, tous les jours. Again, the next keyword that we have is tous les jours. Tous les jours means something that you do daily. So which tense? Présent. Nous buvons du café. Next sentence. Now see what is given in next sentence. Decker is the keyword along with passé composé. So decker and passé composé. That means what is the combination? Most probably it is plus que parfait combination. So decker les clients dash sorti on a fermé la boutique. So, plus que parfait. First thing you need to conjugate imparfait and then past participle of this verb. Ça va? Next part, si tu dash le traitement, tu médecin, tu C equation again, and what is given? What is given? Durera, c'est futur simple. So C plus présent, si tu suis. If you follow the treatment of doctor, you will be cured soon. Last part, je dash se sentir bien. C plus what is given? Imparfait. So C plus imparfait plus conditionnel. Je me conditionnel. Again, future complete and then imparfait ending. Sentirai. See, je me couche to. Just understand the technique by which I am doing this question. You need to introspect, you need to reflect once which tense is given. If you get this thing correct, what is given, and then you try to apply yours, definitely your answer will be correct. So understand what is given. After that, while you write the conjugation of the tense, figure out the tense. For example, it's conditional. And then just make it somewhere. Conditional will be conjugated with future plus imparfait endings. So make these small notes. This will help you. So this is how we make conditionnel. So make these small notes in your exam also. Maybe on the back side or maybe on the right side, but that's going to help you to write the conjugation well. So I hope this tense question was clear. So again, what you can do is you can just go back to this video, note down all the questions probably, and then you can solve it. Okay, and check your answers. And if you have any doubt, put it down in the comment section, because now it's not much time that is left. And if you still want to understand any topic, you want me to make a video on any of the topic, put it down in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to help. Au revoir.